Today we're going to get a construction update on the Brownwood Lofts, which are the first apartment buildings in the villages which you are going to be able to actually have the amenities to the villages. These apartments are going to have on-site recreation, craft, and social rooms. They'll have pet lawns, garage, covered and reserved parking available. Each unit will have stainless steel appliances, key fob entry, washer and dryers will be inside, and they will each have a deck or balcony access. Final site work for phase 1 is actually in progress, and they plan on opening phase 1 this summer. They are currently pre-leasing. All of this is off the village's website. I will go ahead and link the website down below in the description. It's been 2 weeks since I've done a video on this. I will link it up in the top here if you want to see how far they've come. Not much on the outside for phase 2, but it looks like they are getting some work done, and the shopping is also coming along nicely with the mini mall. They are very close to the Brownwood Square, which currently is empty because of the pandemic. We are going to be doing a video series starting this weekend on traveling through the villages, how far you can get on golf carts, and we will be reviewing each square and how we see each square. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It would mean a great deal to me if you would like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.